Namaste. Engineering Mathematics Module Differential Calculus 2 Assignment Problem 5th one. Obtain the Maclaurin's expansion of the function log 1 plus tan x up to the third degree terms. So obtain the Maclaurin's expansion of the function log of 1 plus tan x up to the third degree terms. So in the problem it's mentioned Maclaurin's expansion. First we should write the Maclaurin series expansion of y of x. So Maclaurin series expansion of y of x is given by y of x equal to y of 0 plus x into y1 of 0 plus x square divided by 2 factorial into y2 of 0 plus x cube divided by 3 factorial into y3 of 0 plus etc. Call it as equation number 1. Next, let y of x is the function, so that is equal to log of 1 plus tan x is given in the problem. So it implies at x equal to 0. So then y of 0 equal to tan 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Log 1 is 0. So y of 0 is 0. Next, differentiating x. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, successively we get. We have. So differentiating with respect to x successively anta helidre y of x ge differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with respect to x. So we will get y1 of x. Again y1 of x ge differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with respect to x. We will get y2 of x. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ y3 of x ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ y2 of x ಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x ಇಂದ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ y of x is y1 of x. Differentiation of y of x is y1 of x equal to differentiation of log 1 plus tan x is 1 divided by 1 plus tan x. Again 1 plus tan x ಗೆ differentiation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ secant square x. So next it implies at x equal to 0, so then y1 of 0 equal to 1 divided by 1 plus tan 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Secant 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So y1 of 0 is 1. Next ಇದು y2 of x, y3 of x find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. It's difficult to find out like this. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ this denominatorನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ. So 1 plus tan x into y1 of x equal to secant square x. Next, differentiating this with respect to x. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ product rule apply ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So first function as it is 1 plus tan x. Differentiation of y1 of x is y2 of x plus second function y1 of x as it is. Differentiation of first function, so 1 plus tan x ಗೆ differentiation ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ secant square x equal to, so differentiation of secant square x is 2 into secant x. First secant square x ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 secant x. Again secant x ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ secant x into tan x. Next 1 plus tan x y2 of x plus secant square x y1 of x equal to 2 secant square x tan x at x equal to 0. So then 1 plus, it implies at x equal to 0. Okay, 1 plus tan 0 is 0, y2 of 0 plus secant 0 is 1, 1 square is 1, then y1 of 0 equal to 2 into secant square, secant 0 is 1, 1 square is 1, tan 0 is 0. So 1 into y2 of 0 is y2 of 0 plus y1 of 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 equal to 2, 0 into anything is 0. It implies y2 of 0 equal to minus 1. Next, differentiating this with respect to x we get. So product will apply madi. So first function 1 plus tan x as it is. Differentiation of y2 of x is y3 of x plus second function as it is y2 of x. Differentiation of first function ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, tan x ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದರೆ secant square x plus next ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, first function secant square x as it is. Differentiation of y1 of x is y2 of x. Next plus second function as it is y1 of x into differentiation of secant square x is 2 into secant x. Again secant x ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದರೆ secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x equal to, next ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 take it outside, secant square x first take it outside, differentiation of tan x is secant square x plus second function as it is, differentiation of secant square x is 2 secant x. Again secant x ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ secant x into tan x. Next, so 1 plus tan x y3 of x plus y2 of x y2 of x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 times of secant square x y2 of x plus 2 into secant square x, 2 into secant square x tan x into y1 of x equal to 2 into secant to the power of 4x plus 2 into secant square x tan square x. It implies at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, so 1 plus tan 0 is 0, y3 of 0 plus 2 into secant 0 is 1, secant 0 is 1, 1 square, then y2 of 0 plus 2 into secant 0 is 1, so il square ಇದೆ square ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, tan 0 is 0, then y1 of 0 equal to 2 into secant 0 is 1, 1 to the power of 4 plus 2 into secant 0 is 1, il square ಇದೆ square, tan 0 is 0, 0 square, close the bracket. Next, it implies 1 into y3 of 0 is y3 of 0 plus y2 of 0, y2 of 0 is minus 1, so this is 2 into minus 1, and here 0 into anything is 0, leave it. Then 2 in RHS side, 2 into 1 to the power of 4, 1 to the power of 4 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2. So next it implies y3 of 0 equal to, this is plus into minus is minus, minus 2, it's shifted to this side, 2 plus 2 is 4, so y3 of 0 is 4. Next substitute thus by substituting, okay, illi thus by substituting substituting these values in the expansion of y of x, ಅಥವಾ in the expansion we get. So y of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, y of x is log into 1 plus tan x. So y of x is log into 1 plus tan x equal to y of 0 is 0, leave it. y1 of 0 is 1. 1 into x is x. 1 into x is x. Next, plus x square by 2 factorial, y2 of 0. So y2 of 0 is minus 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial into y2 of 0 is minus 1 plus x3 divided by 3 factorial. Y3 of 0 is 4. So in the problem they mention third degree terms ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, third degree terms ತನಕ. So third degree terms is enough. Okay. Next, log 1 plus tan x equal to x plus minus x square divided by 2 factorial is 2 plus x cube divided by, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 factorial ಅಂದರೆ 6. 2 2s 3 2s, so 2x cube divided by 3. So this is the answer for this problem. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? once again, so first questions ಓದಿ. Obtain the Maclaurin's expansion of the function log 1 plus tan x up to the third degree terms. So Maclaurin series expansion of y of x is given by, so first formula ಬರೀರಿ Maclaurin series expansion ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ y of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬರೀರಿ y of 0 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ x equal to 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸಿವ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ y of x ಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y1 of x, ಅಗೇನ್ y1 of x ಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x ಇಂದ y2 of x, y2 of x ಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ y3 of x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ x equal to 0 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ y1 of 0, ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. y1 of 0 is 1, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ y2 of 0 is minus 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ y3 of 0 is 4. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, y of x ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ log of 1 plus tan x equal to x minus x square by 2 plus 2x cube divided by 3. This is the final answer. Okay, thank you so much.